The next two methods that we're going to cover are the whereBetween and whereNotBetween methods on the Query Builder. The whereBetween method is a powerful tool that allows you to retrieve records that fall within a specified range of values. Let's remove all chained methods that we have and chain the whereBetween method to it. This method takes two parameters. The first one is the column name, so let's say minutes to read, while the second argument is an array consisting of the lower and upper bounds of the range. So let's search in the minutes to read column where the values are between 1 and 5. We do need to chain the get method since we're going to retrieve multiple rows. And with the code that we just wrote, we are retrieving all posts whose minutes to read falls between 1 and 5. In the output, you'll see that it retrieves back 7 rows. And if we open a couple of them, you'll see that the minutes to read are all between the 1 and 5 range. On the other hand, the Query Builder also offers the whereNotBetween method. The whereNotBetween method allows you to retrieve records that fall outside a specified range of values. This method also takes two parameters, the column name and an array consisting of the lower and upper bound of the ranges. Our current example works with the whereNotBetween method, and inside the output, you'll see that it retrieved back 6 rows. Quick summary, the whereBetween and whereNotBetween Query Builder methods in Laravel are powerful tools that allows you to retrieve records based on a specified range of values, or exclude users within a certain age range. These methods have got you covered.